Hey, my cookies. So, we finally got the first little breeze of coolness in Louisiana. And what did I do? Break out my homemade chili recipe for my cookies. Let's cook. We're going to start by heating up some olive oil in our Dutch oven. Next, I'm adding in some ground meat. I'm using ground round beef. You can use turkey if you like, but make sure it's very lean. Now we're going to brown the meat and drain off any fat. When that's done, add in your onion, bell pepper, and some diced jalapenos. Okay, go ahead and stir everything together, and we want to saute those veggies until they're nice and tender. Now stir in some minced garlic. Now we just pour everything in, starting with some crushed tomatoes, a can of diced tomatoes, some tomato paste. I know this seems like a lot of tomato stuff, but just trust me, go with it. Now for the spices, some onion and garlic powder. Of course, we got to use some chili powder here. I'm using ancho chili powder, but regular is cool too. Some ground cumin, some Italian seasoning, a little brown sugar. I'm boring myself going through all these ingredients. Dang. A little dash of allspice. That's important. All right, now stir all this stuff up. All right, y'all, I've been practicing. Now some Worcestershire sauce. And of course, we gotta have some kidney beans. Just make sure you drain that can. Y'all, swear we almost done. Then a beef bouillon cube. We need some water, so pour in the water. Give it a stir and bring this up to a low boil, not anything wild and crazy. You can season with salt and pepper. I season mine with a little bit of seasoning salt to taste. Once it starts to boil a little bit like this, lower the heat to simmer and allow it to cook for 30 minutes uncovered. When that 30 minutes is up, go ahead and give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if you need to. And that is it, cookies. Our homemade chili is ready to serve. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. And cookies, serve your chili however you'd like. I like to add a little bit of sharp cheddar, some avocado, and a dollop of sour cream to garnish, a little bit of green onions. Let me know in the comments how you like to eat your chili. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, be blessed.